Today, we're going to show you how to automatically remove all the blemishes from your subject instantly with Lightroom Mobile. So we're zooming into our subject. She looks great, just has a couple skin blemishes, no worries. With our new quick actions, we're going to click right here on the very bottom left. Because it recognizes there's a person, we're going to have Retouch. Let's go ahead and click there, and we have our brand new Blemishes tool. All you have to do is click right on Blemishes, and you're going to see instantly all of the blemishes disappear. The cool thing here is I actually have an amount slider that I can bring up and choose to bring back some of the blemishes. Look at that. As I go back and forth on the slider, it's going to add or remove these blemishes back into our images. I can even fade these blemishes back in and out to get a little bit more of a natural result. There we go. Let's go ahead and click on that checkbox. Now, if you zoom in, you might see maybe it misses a blemish or two. Not a big deal. We're simply going to go to the remove icon on the bottom right and simply paint over any additional areas you'd like to remove. It's going to use AI to completely get rid of those. Let's go ahead and click that checkbox right up here. I'm going to press and hold on our image. There we can see our before and the after. As you can see, this brand new tool is incredible, and it's available right now exclusively on Lightroom Mobile.